downstairs and do not touch the message of doom.
Awesome.
Oh no! Yeah.
You can't open. You have to open one every day. Tomorrow is the first
Do you like
one
the lights?
to open.
Open one.
No, you can't do it now. You have to do it first day
In
of
the
Christmas and second day of Christmas.
And the third day of Christmas, like my true love said to me.
Do you like?
Yeah.
Is that so
Are you
cool?
are you testing to see which ones are pet shops, Samantha?
No, I'm just.
Are you testing to see which ones are pet shop? Are you testing? You know, honesty is very important. Are you testing to see which one?
The kids might try to pull it off.
No, that one is for tomorrow morning.
Wait, this is for tomorrow?
Number one.
Yeah, you both got the same. Well, we spent a lot of time.
Stop, Samantha.
No! Yeah.
Okay, come on upstairs now. I will have stew. Don't open it. You have to wait till the first day of Christmas. And then you do it. You like it? You have to wait till it's the first day of Christmas.
Look. It's like. I mean,
Oh, no.
what kid couldn't resist that tree? Look. Film it.
Well, tomorrow morning is the first day of Christmas. And then you get to have your first present. You like it? Oh, Mickey. You have to wait one sleep, and then every time you wake up from sleep, you get to open a new one. And when every day one, and then you reach to the top up here, and it's the 24th of December, which is Christmas. Okay? You like?
No.
Okay. Shall we go?
No.
Okay.